सो इन रॉकी पास वी लिव इन द माउंटेन्स, हम कहाँ रहते हैं, पहाड़ों पे. द पास आर सो रॉकी एंड अनइवन, जो रास्ते हैं बहुत ही रॉकी, पथरीले, एंड अनइवन मतलब बहुत मतलब रास्ते ऊपर नीचे वाले, मतलब बहुत ही पथरीले और ऊबड़ खाबड़ है. एंड द चिल्ड्रन हु लिव इन द प्लेन्स विल find it difficult to walk on these. So those students or those children are residing in such type of areas, they face lots of difficulties to walk on these paths, but we can easily race up and down. लेकिन हम क्या करते हैं, आसानी से रेसअप और डाउन यानी कि ऊपर चढ़ते हैं और नीचे उतरते हैं. नाउ नो मैटर वे वेदर देयर इज अ डेंस फॉरेस्ट, फार्म्स, माउंटेन्स और स्नो ऑन द वे, वी मैनेज टू रीच द स्कूल. कोई इशू नहीं है whether we are living in a dense forest or we are living in a farms areas or we are living mountain areas or snow areas, we always ready to manage to reach school. Okay, so do you face difficulties on the way to your school? When you go to your school, uh, which type of difficulties you face, do you face while reaching your school? Which is the best month in which you like to go to school? So why? And all of you have to tell me in which month you like to come to school. Okay, and why? See me and walk. Go to ground or an open space with your friends. Act the way you will walk in these situations. The ground is made of soft and smooth rose petals. The ground is covered with thorns and there is a tall grass on the sides. The ground is covered with snow. Was there a difference in the way you walked each time? So you कहते हैं go to ground. All of you can do this activity at your home if you can do it, because going outside is not allowed during pandemic period. So go to ground एन ओपन स्पेस, अपने दोस्तों के साथ एक ओपन स्पेस पे जाओ एंड एक्ट द वे यू विल वॉक इन दीज सिचुएशंस. सो ऑल ऑफ यू हैव टू क्रिएट 3 situations. फर्स्ट सिचुएशन इज रिलेटेड विद द सॉफ्ट एंड स्मूथ रोज पेटल्स, यानी कि एक ऐसा ग्राउंड जस्ट यू हैव टू मेड वेयर ऑल द रोज पेटल्स आर over there, वहाँ पे हो. एंड देन द ग्राउंड इज़ कवर्ड विथ थॉर्न्स, यानी कुछ कांटेदार ग्राउंड्स हों. एक ऐसा ग्राउंड है का, एक ऐसी जगह चुनो जहाँ ग्राउंड थॉर्न्स हो, कांटे हों और टॉल ट्रीज हो साइड्स हो. नेक्स्ट वन, द ग्राउंड इज़ कवर्ड विद स्नो, और दूसरी तरफ एक तरफ यू हैव टू कवर द एरिया ऑफ द ग्राउंड विद स्नो. सो व्हेन यू वॉक ऑन दिस 3 situations, how you feel. Okay, so you have to tell the experiences. Now from children's pen, it is a poem, or it is filled in the test 30 rulers, fold around the test in 15 rulers, homework not done 8 rulers, nails, teeth, dress not clean 30 sit-ups, having fun in class when teacher is out, stand on one leg or for 2 hours, not back in the class after the recess, stand on the bench with your hands up in the air for 1 hour. So beautiful poem is written by Sagar Mishra, class 5, Chakmak, August in 2006, Devas, Madhya Pradesh. Right. So now talk about, so here are the some questions are given here. So do you have a punishment in school? What kind of, do you think that punishment should be there in the schools? Is punishment the only solution to misdeeds? Okay, whenever or any student do the wrong things in the class, then teacher should give the punishment or not. Make some rules for children to prevent misdeeds, and draw a picture of your dream school in your notebook, write about it. Okay, so now this the chapter 1 explanation is now completed. So we will cover next chapter explanation.